Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Joe. Welcome to the channel. So what I was talking about yesterday in the video about changing out the tires to tubeless. We are at North Bethlehem mountain bike trails, and I had the tubeless set up. Everything seems to be okay. I didn't lose any air overnight, and I'm going to be running 10 pounds less pressure. I normally run 40 with a tube, but with the tubeless you can run less pressure and get better traction. So I'm going to be running 32 psi in both tires, 8 pounds less, and we're going to see how it does. All right, off we go. I also have a new lens mod for the GoPro, so should be a little bit better view. But we're going to start on this red course, and I think we're going to try and do a full loop today. Cornering, this is where we're really going to be able to see if the tubeless helps out. I have less pressure, so this should be, for all intents and purposes, it should be grippier, because I'm allowing that tire to flex and those knobbies to dig in more. There's also going to be less rolling resistance, so should be going a little bit quicker, but we'll see. These roots, should be able to navigate these roots a little bit better. I can already feel a little bit of a difference. Running the lower pressure. Tires definitely want to bite more, which is what I want. Oop. Came in too hot. Come on, get up. Of course, if you slide along the side of a route, you're not going to get any grip. Yeah, I definitely feel more confident leaning this bike over. I feel like it'll hold. Yeah, there we go. Didn't bounce off any of those. Orange Trail. Rained pretty heavy last night, but this place dries out pretty decently. Not too bad. There's some features here, so let's see how this does. There's a small drop a little further ahead. Let's see how we do with that. If we're gonna lose something, we're gonna lose it there. But the amount of grip that I have is definitely noticeable. I'm allowing that tire to flex more and those treads to just stay. The knobbies just stay engaged. Big root, big root. Come on, there we go. roots. Nothing worse than wet roots. Absolutely a more comfortable ride. No question there. So far, so good. Here's a drop. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, hell yeah. That's night and day. Wow. Night and day compared to the last time. There we go. Sticking. Navigate these roots. All right, so the back tire right there just spun a little, but the second it caught, it gripped. A little bit of a spin, but then it engaged like immediately. So that's good. All right, here we go. Gripping, gripping. Very nice. Up, up, up. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm carrying a little bit more speed because I can really dig. I'm carrying more speed, which is helping with those features. Get inside here. There we go. Hi. We're gonna pause here for a second, give everything a quick look over. Yeah, the tires are solid, man. All stems are good. Tires are good. Yeah, everything's looking really good. There's a lady walking her dog. I don't know if she's on this trail or on the main path. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Alrighty, off we go. Yellow trail. Come on, get in. Ah. Couldn't get clipped in. My foot was sliding off the pedal. See if we can do this a little bit better this time. There we go. big shoes on the main path. Yeah, hell yeah. It's like a new bike. Oh, except when you hit a log. Yeah. I can lean that over a little too much. Just grab the end of that log. All right, so maybe I got a little overconfident there. That's all right. Figuring out what this can do. That was too much of a lean. Yep. The last time I was here, I kept wiping out there. It's such a tight turn that my front tire would wash. This time it's just stuck. And I felt like it would stick. And that's what a lot of this is. Oh, another root. Skid along the side of the root. But the tires are taking it. I'm not losing a beat or anything, so that's good. All right, here's some features here. This blue section. All right. Wobbly bridge. Seesaw. All right. Well, that was a full loop. Oop. What do we got here? Yeah, why not? That was a full loop on the new tire, the tubeless tire setup at 8 psi less than what I normally run. All right, that was a full loop at North Bethlehem on the new tubeless tire setup, and I used the muck off system to set up the tubeless, and absolutely no complaints whatsoever. I mean, you saw what I was doing there. I was leaning it over hard, I was pedaling faster, I was navigating routes better. A couple of hiccups, but you know, there's certain things you're just not gonna be able to do no matter how good your tires or your bike is. A wet route or a piece of a log sticking out, you hit it, you kick out your back tire, it's the way it goes. But that was, I'm very happy with that. So I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna stick here for a little bit longer, play around a little bit more, and then tonight I'm gonna set up the enduro bike to be tubeless. And I might actually be doing something different with these videos, so stick around and I'll let you know what changes I'm gonna be making. All right, guys, if you stuck around for the whole thing, thank you. I really appreciate it. Give me a like. If you have any comments, go ahead and throw them down there. All right, I will catch you next time. Take care.